Good morning, children. Welcome to Maths class. In the previous session, I taught you what are square numbers and how to form square numbers. When we multiply a number by itself, we get square numbers. And a number is a square number. A number is a square number if it is written as the square of another number. Square of another number. That is, m is equal to n squared. So, m is a square number because it is written as the square of another number n. And how will you find out square numbers? How will you form square numbers? By multiplying the number by itself. So, square number is formed when we multiply a number by itself. When we multiply a number by itself. Itself means by the same number. Now we are going to do the sums based on this. Find the square of the following numbers. Find the square of the following numbers. First number is 37. Now we have to find out the square of this. For that, what we should do? We should multiply by the same number. That is, the number should be multiplied by itself. So, 37 into 37. So, now multiply 37 into 37. 7 sevens are 49. 3 sevens are 21 plus 4. 25. 7 threes are 21. 3 threes are 9 plus 2, 11. So, 9, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, then 1. And this 37 into 37 as same number written 2 times. This can be written as 37 squared equal to 1369. Now second sum is 203. Here also we should find out the square of this number. To find out the square of this number, we should multiply by the same number. So, 203 into 203. A number should be multiplied by the same number or it should be multiplied by itself. So, 203 into 203. 3 threes are 9. 0 into 3 is 0. 2 threes are 6. 0 into 3 0. 0 into 0 0. 2 into 0 0. Now, multiply by 2 table. 3 2s are 6, 0 into 2 0, 2 2s are 4. Now we should add, so 9, 0, 6 plus 6, 12, here 1 and here 4. So this 203 into 203, the same number written 2 times. So this can be written as 203 squared is equal to 41,209. Now we shall do the next sum. Now second sum, examine if each of the following is a perfect square. So first sum is 725. So here what we should find out? We should find out whether this number is a perfect square. So what are the steps for that? First we should find out the prime factors. So first step is find prime factors. And second step is we have to group the factors in pair. Group the factors in pairs. If the factors are in pairs, it is a perfect square. If the factors are not in pairs, it is not a perfect square. So now we will find out the prime factors of this number. Last digit is 1's place is 5. So we can divide by 5 table. 1 5 is 5. Balance 2. So 22. 4 5s are 20. Balance again 2. 25. So 5 5s are 25. Again last digit is 5. So we can divide by 5 table. In 14, 2 5s are 10. Balance is 4. 45. So 9 5s are 45. This is the prime number. So we can stop. So 725 is equal to 5 into 5 into 29. Now we have to group. Group in pair. That is the same number. Here 5, another number also 5. So we can group in pair now. This is one pair. So this is one pair, but here this 29 is not, we cannot group in pairs, so this is alone. So because we are not able to group in pairs, this is not a perfect square. So here factors are not in pair. Are not in pairs. So this is 725 is not a perfect square. Now second sum is 1089. So what is the first step? We have to find out the prime factors. How will you find out prime factors? By dividing by the prime numbers. So by dividing by the prime numbers. So 1089 we can divide by 3 table, because before dividing we can check the divisibility rule. Sum of the digits is divisible by 3. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So we can divide by 3 table now. So 3 3s are 9. Balance is 1, 18. 6 3s are 18. Next 3 3s are 9. Again we can divide by 3 table. Find out sum of the digits. 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. So we can divide by 3 table. 1 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3. 121 we can divide by 11 table. 11 11s are 121. Now 1089 is equal to 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. So 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. What is the next step? We have to group in pairs. The number should be grouped with the same number. So 3 and another 3 is one pair. 11 and 11 is another pair. So now the numbers factors are in pairs. So this number is a perfect square. So factors are in pairs. Therefore 1089 is a perfect square. So here what is the first step is we have to find out the prime factors. Next step is we have to group the factors in pairs. If it is in pairs, if all the factors are in pairs, it is a perfect square. If we are not able to group in pairs, it is not a perfect square. Now next question is, by find out, third question, find out whether the following are perfect squares by seeing the last digit. If the question is given like this, by seeing the last digit, we need not divide like this, that is prime factorization. By seeing the ones place, we can find out the answer. 7452, 9684. So how will you find out now? By seeing the last digit, we have to see the number in ones place. So number in one place is 2, so it is not a perfect square. We have already studied, if the last digit is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, the numbers will be perfect square. If the numbers are 2, 3, 7, 8, it is not a perfect square. So here the number in ones place is 2, that is the number ends with 2, so it is not a perfect square. Here the number ends with 4, so it can be or may be a perfect square. Now third sum is 6845. So here what is the last digit? That is 5. So it can be a perfect square or it may be a perfect square. So if you are asked to find out by seeing the last digit, you should remember these numbers. If the last digit is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9, the number can be a perfect square. But if you have 2, 3, 7 or 8, it cannot be a perfect square. But if they didn't ask by seeing the last digit, you have to find out the prime factorization and do the sums. Hope you would have understood the concept, boys. Thank you. We can continue in the next class.